Need to block messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp on your iPhone? This feature helps you keep your chats safe and stop spam messages. In this video, I'll show you how to block messages from unknown contacts easily. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Block unknown account messages. Go to the WhatsApp app again. Next, tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap the privacy. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Advanced. Here you will see the Block Unknown Account message option. Just toggle it on. Also, turn on the Protect IP address in calls and disable link previews. Method 2. Silence unknown callers. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap the settings icon below. After that, tap Privacy. Then tap Calls. Now just toggle on the Silence Unknown Callers option. This is the way you can block messages from unknown accounts on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have anything to ask, then write them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.